Who's he screaming at? I bet it's another squirrel trying to steal his nuts or something. What is he screaming at? I was just hearing this sound and I for real thought it was like a baby. It actually kind of sounds like a baby cry. It's like the same one repeated over and over. What is he screaming at? Okay, I'm just trying to... Oh, is he looking at me now? What's he yelling at? Okay, I gotta be careful to... Are you being rabid? Oh, what if it's like... Okay, well his tail is fluffed up, he looks aggravated, but there's like no one around, no squirrel to be seen, unless it just went under the bush, or something, or the logs. Is this a cry? Like a war cry? Like, help, I'm hurt. Or maybe he has a stomach ache. Oh wait, no. Maybe he's doing a mating call. He's probably gonna run down. Earlier he was just looking at something else. He was like looking at the house. Is he angry? Maybe it's just his daily morning. I don't know, he just looks kind of mad. I never heard a squirrel make such a sound. Sorry, I keep zooming in and out. Oh, he's moving. Oh, he disappeared. Oh, there he is. Oh, okay. He was just yelling at the house or something. Now he's just doing his own thing. Whatever he was doing, I guess it didn't work. Maybe it was a mating call, or maybe he was getting very angry at another squirrel. I'm curious. I wonder if he'll like yell at me. Oh, he's going up a tree. He's going up a tree. Oh, there he is. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, he's sneaky. He's sneak. Well, it's probably because I'm also like trying to run after him. Of course he's gonna run away. I can't see him. I don't know if any of y'all can see him. He done did run off. I'm probably scared to sucker away. Oh well.